So let's dive into the video. When I was in how did you start this content creation journey, I'm always faithful charging 1 rupee so bad. It was very tough. The amount of time, what is your skincare routine? It would be dummies like hand of my life. I stopped doing give up on my body. There is one concerning how creep. Hello Andariki, I am Amulya Khetawat. If you are new here, I'm a dance content creator who posts most of the dance videos on Instagram and I'm mostly active on Instagram only. I'm not able to post anything on YouTube, so that is the reason we're gonna do a Q&A session which most of the people are curious about and want to know about. So let's dive into the video. Question goes like, how did you start this content creation journey? When I was in my degree, most of my friends in my circle, there was one friend who is Ramya, most of you guys know. She was doing excellent in her content creation journey, and I had zero knowledge about content creation. So then, after somehow we become friends because of my mutual friend, and she was also a dancer, and I am also a dancer. She slowly taught me many things. I'm always grateful for Ramya. Shout out to Ramya. So I am actually very glad to have Ramya in my life because she taught me so many things when in this generation people will not teach you without even charging 1 rupee. So from I think that's how I started my content creation journey. And however I know how to do dance, I have to do everything just to put in my phone and just upload it. I didn't know content creation is that easy, so that's how I started doing. If you guys scroll and see my first video, that would be like a dub smash video where I lip sync a video and post it, because I used to not have a iPhone to shoot, or a very good branded phone I used to not have. So I used to have a phone like Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. I used to have that phone, and obviously that video clarity was so bad. So whenever I used to come to my home, I always used to take my brother's phone and shoot videos. Like I used to do a 10 to 15 videos in 2 to 3 days only, because after again I have to leave to hostel. I used to take all that videos and I used to log in my brother's account and upload it from his account. So it was very tough for me to start this content creation journey, but somehow I got inspired by the people around me and started this content creation journey. I was a dancer. I think that it was not that hard for me to start this content creation journey, because if you have any talent, you can create content just like this. And nowadays, content creation is not at all hard because people are getting famous for not any useful reasons, if you ask me. We will dive into the third question. What is your native mother tongue? If anything, if we put all questions in line and if we make a race or something, this question will win for sure, because the amount of times I had to answer everyone, like what is my mother tongue, what am I, what, from where did I come from, what is this, all that. I am a Banjara girl, I'm an ST girl. To the people who don't know that I'm ST or Banjara, here it is. I'm an ST Banjara girl, Lambadi girl, if few of you don't know. But you will have another question also, like people, like ST people, they will ask me most of the times, like, why don't you speak in ST or Banjara? I'll give you a simple example. You have a North Indian friend or any friend who don't know your language. How do you communicate? You use any common language that would be preferable by you both. So in here, there are lot of people who don't know our language. So I had to speak in English, and I am not so fluent in Hindi. And I am fluent in Telugu, but like people will not, and Hindi people will not understand Telugu, and Telugu people will not understand like our language, ST language. So that's how I choose to speak this language. I made this choice. So yeah, it should be useful for everyone since I'm being in content creation. Everyone should understand what I do. So that is the reason I speak in English, and I don't think my English is that bad to stop. We will dive into the fourth question. I'm so sorry. I'm just blabbering a lot because I'm a yapper girl and I'm very talkative. The next question is, what is your qualification rather than the social media? Haha. My qualification is I just finished my graduation and I did that in BCom. My main stream was BCom honors, and I don't do anything currently. So please don't judge me. Next question, Kwelipodam. How can someone start content creation like you? See, as I told, content creation journey is not at all hard. If you see nowadays in content creation, people are putting anything, any rubbish thing on it on Instagram and becoming famous. And I am so flabbergasted that, like, oh my god, people are getting famous so easy. But I have been doing this dance for so long. Where is my reach? Where are my famous things and all the things? Come on, guys. See, all you need to have is little time for content creation, or you need to have something in your brain which you want to put on social media. It is all that easy. It is not at all hard. If you're a dancer, start posting on Instagram. You post anything, at some point you will get viral. I'm telling you this. But put all nice things only, don't put any vulgar things. Another question: what is your skincare routine? I don't want to lie to you guys, but I'm telling you, I never had a skin breakout to take care of my skin. My skin always used to be like this only because I didn't care about my skin anything. All from very start, I still put Nivea moisturizer to my face and use Vaseline to my lips. That's all. It would be dumb of me if I tell I use these 10 steps of skincare, but no, I don't use any type of skincare. But in future, if any brand comes to me and tells that to promote that, if it is genuinely nice, I'll bring that to you and I'll tell that what to use. You look like 20, 24, 23, and they goes like, my age is only 18. My bad. My instincts are not good, okay? Don't judge me, please. Give some information about your dog. He's like chand of my life. How do I even explain it? His name is Bruno. And I really love that he came into my life. He turned it very chaotic and he pushed me to a corner where my parents only love him and they doesn't love me. Recently, my mom, she fed him everything before I could eat. She says that my son have to eat first rather than you. I'm not crying. Don't look at me. What do you do in your day to day life? What do I do in my day to day life? You guys obviously will judge me because once upon a time I used to wake up at 7 o'clock. I do like yoga, I water plants, do laundry, do breakfast, help my mom, do some home work. And homework means not like school homework, college homework. ఇంట్లో ఉన్న పనులు చేస్తుండే నేను మా మమ్మీ ఏదైతే చెప్తున్నానో. But as time passed by, I wake up when my mom calls because I sleep upstairs. I don't sleep in my room. I sleep in my brother's room. You've been a sibling, and how could you like your own things when you love the most of your sibling? నాకు అన్ని మా అన్నవే ఎక్కువ ఇష్టం. My brother don't give a damn about my things also, but I love all my brother's things only. So I sleep in my brother's bedroom, and most of the time I used to wear all my brother's clothes only. But I'm now getting own clothes. I mean, like, ooh, so, like that. And now I wake up around like 11 or 12, థింక్ వాట్ టు డూ. నేను సగం థింక్ చేసే లోపే డే అయిపోతుంది నాది. అట్లా అనమాట. ఐ డూ మై బ్రంచ్. ఐ స్టాప్ డూయింగ్ మై బ్రేక్ఫాస్ట్ ఆల్సో. అండ్ ఇఫ్ యూ గైస్ ఆస్క్ మీ what do you do to maintain your body, I stress my body so much. Yeah, that doesn't mean that you also have to stress, but I pressurize my body at that point that it will just give up on my body. Okay, it just give up on me. It's like हमसे नहीं हो पाएगा, हो नहीं हो पाएगा. చూడండి, ఐ కాంట్ స్పీక్ హిందీ, డోంట్ లాఫ్, ఓకే? సో జస్ట్ లైక్ దాట్. ఇంకా దాని తర్వాత నేను బ్రంచ్ చేసి ఏ వీడియో షూట్ చేయాలో ఐ స్టార్ట్ ప్లానింగ్. ఐ స్టార్ట్ థింకింగ్ వాట్ వీడియో ఐ హ్యావ్ టు డూ ఇన్ మై మైండ్. ఐ స్క్రోల్ త్రూ ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్. ఏంటో ఇట్లా ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్ స్క్రోల్ చేస్తూనే అక్కడే టైం అయిపోతుంది. ఐ డోంట్ అండర్స్టాండ్. అండ్ ద పీపుల్ ఆస్క్ మీ వాట్ డూ యూ డూ ఇన్ యువర్ డే టు డే లైఫ్? ఐ స్క్రోల్ ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్ ఓన్లీ. ఇఫ్ దెర్ ఈస్ అ ఓన్లీ జాబ్ దే వుడ్ పే ఫర్ స్క్రోలింగ్ టు కమ్ ఫస్ట్ ఇన్ దాట్ ఆల్సో. దాని తర్వాత ఐ స్టార్ట్ డూయింగ్ వీడియోస్. ఐ స్టార్ట్ ఎడిటింగ్ దాట్. ఐ మేక్ మై అవుట్ఫిట్స్. దెన్ ఆఫ్టర్ ఐ గెట్ ఫ్రెష్డ్ అప్. I might not eat lunch sometimes. I eat snacks in the evening. Then after, my mother starts scolding because how unhealthy I am and how I don't drink water, something like that. రోజుకు ఒక 4-5 తిట్లు పక్కా. Either from my dad, either from my mom. Somewhere like that. రోజుకు ఒక 4-5 తిట్లు తినండి. తింటా నేనైతే. దెన్ ఆఫ్టర్ ఏం చేస్తా, చాలా బోర్ కొడితే నేను మా ఇంటి బయట వెళ్తా. అంతే తప్ప నేను మా ఇంట్లో నుండి అసలు బయటికి వెళ్ళను. ఈదర్ బీ ఇన్ కిచెన్, మై బెడ్రూమ్ ఆర్ హాల్. దిస్ ఆల్ మై వరల్డ్ ఈజ్. ఆర్ ఇఫ్ ఎనీ బిజినెస్ వర్క్, బేర్లీ I go to Hyderabad. I don't stay in Hyderabad for your information. And don't ask me where do you stay, exact location, native, adi, idi. I'm not gonna tell only. అండ్ దట్స్ హౌ ఈ గొడవలన్నీ ఈ ప్రెషర్డ్ ఈ స్ట్రెస్ థింగ్స్ అన్ని హ్యాండిల్ చేసే లోపే నా డే అయిపోతుంది. ఎలా అయిపోయిందో ఆలోచించుకుంటూ ఆలోచించి నేను మళ్ళీ పడుకుంటాను. సేమ్ దట్ సైకిల్ కంటిన్యూస్ లైక్ దాట్. సో దట్స్ హౌ ఐ స్పెండ్ మై డే ఇన్ టోటల్ chaotic, in total problematic, everything like that I spend my day. What is your best childhood memory? What is my best childhood memory is like when obviously I said that I used to be a dancer when I was a kid. we I had gone to a many competitions, like state level competition, district level competitions, dance competitions. I have went, and the beautiful thing is wherever I went, I got first prize. Also, I'm not exaggerating, but they called me first on stage for giving the first prize. So there is another question. What is your hair care routine? I'm gonna tell you genuinely. I don't use any expensive hair care to my hair. I at least care my hair, not like my skin. Because if I don't care my hair will not care me back. My hair will not care me back. I'll just go bald like this. Gundavas. So first, a homemade oil which my mom does, in where she use onion మెంతులు. మెంతుల్ని ఇంగ్లీష్లో ఏమంటారో నన్ను అడగకండి. నాకు తెలీదు. And then after, I think my mom use neem leaves, or neem leaves ఏనా, neem leaves ఏ అనుకుంటా. ఇవన్నీ మందారం పువ్వు ఆల్సో. షీ టేక్ ఆల్ దిస్ అండ్ బాయిల్ ఇట్ ఇన్ కోకోనట్ ఆయిల్. దాని తర్వాత అది బాగా మరిగిన తర్వాత, when it turns out black, she let it cool it down and put it in my hair, massage it and wait like for 1 or 2 hours. Then you do head bath, and I use Head and Shoulder shampoo, Dove conditioner. After drying my hair, I use L'Oreal hair serum. These are the only products I use to my hair, and I wash my hair twice a week. Every day you wash, you will go bald. There will be no hair left. Hmm. ఒక ఒక ఇట్లా ఎంట్రిక కూడా ఉండదు మన నెత్తి మీద. అట్లా అన్నమాట. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆల్ మై హెయిర్ కేర్. ఐ ఆల్రెడీ టోల్డ్ యూ దట్ ఐ డోంట్ యూస్ ఎనీ స్కిన్ కేర్. I love to do any skincare. And if you guys ask me, do you put any makeup? I don't put any makeup. This is not like I'm exaggerating. I'm being like, ha ha ha, I'm natural beauty like that. But నాకు ఎట్లా మేకప్ చేసుకోవాలో తెలీదు, అండ్ ఐ డోంట్ వాంట్ టు స్పెండ్ దట్ మచ్ మనీ ఆన్ మేకప్ ఆల్సో. ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ మై ఫాదర్స్ మనీ, ఐఎమ్ టోటల్లీ ఇన్ టు స్పెండ్ హిస్ మనీ ఫర్ మేకప్. బట్ నాకు మేకప్ ఎలా చేయాలో తెలియదు. దట్ ఈస్ ద హోల్ సోల్ రీజన్ వై ఐ డోంట్ పుట్ మచ్ మేకప్. నౌ డోంట్ కమ్ ఎట్ మీ లైక్, బ్రో షీ ఈస్ సచ్ ఎ న్యాచురల్ బ్యూటీ, బ్రో షీ ఈస్ సచ్ అ దాట్, సచ్ అ దిస్. Nothing, nothing like that. It is the fact that just I don't know how to do. That's all. Okay. నన్ను ఇట్లా ఎత్తి పడేయకండి. Okay. And there is one concerning thing that I have to address it here. Most of you guys think that, bro, she wears proper kurta, she doesn't show her skin, she doesn't do anything, she's such a girl's girl, she's a woman. Hey queen, you dropped this. Nothing I dropped. I love to wear whatever I want, but I could not wear, because the area I stay in, it is not like that. I can't wear that kind of clothes here. I can wear an Instagram also, but if I buy it, I will not use it anywhere rather than in Instagram. I don't want things to end up like that. I want it. I want to use every time whatever clothes I buy, and I repeat my clothes. Okay. Now don't think that, oh my god, she doesn't repeat her clothes. I repeat my clothes. If you see carefully, I repeat every single piece of the cloth I get. That's how Anmata. And one of the weirdest thing I will tell. So there was one reel, పాట ఎట్లుండేనంటే, ఏమైందో తెలియదు నాకు, ఏమైందో తెలియదు నాకు. ఇలా there was one reel, I did it on Instagram అన్నమాట, where I have to twirl like this. ఇట్లా తిరగాలి నేను. I turned and I did dance. How creep a man could be. How creep. He's like, Inka Kuntum, you could have turned a little faster, that would look nice. Bro, what are you trying to mean there? Such a creep. Yes. Such kind of creep people are there. Even you maintain at most proper ethnic anywhere also. Men will be men. Just like that. So I think that's how I think I gave a lot of information about me. It is like I revealed a lot many things which I should not even reveal. So just like that, we will end this. I hope I'll see you guys again in next vlog. So stay updated, and I'm gonna post more and more interesting vlogs. And also do let me know what kind of vlogs you guys are looking forward to. And don't skip any video and look, okay? Think చూడండి ఏది బాగుందో ఏది బాగాలేదో గివ్ మీ రివ్యూస్ rate it how nice it is or how bad it is. Obviously I did my best. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, go and subscribe, like, share and comment. See you guys, bye.